Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials, your device Android version and at least 500 MB free because updates need room. Once done, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Now open the Play Store and tap your profile icon at the top right. You're not pausing, go straight to Settings. This initiates the targeted flow so you can change update behavior instead of waiting for random updates that consume data or battery. You'll navigate Settings to Network Preferences, then Auto-Update Apps because that choice controls global behavior. Choose Wi-Fi only to save mobile data, any network if you want instant installs, or don't auto-update to handle updates manually. Then make sure to manage exceptions. Open an app's Play Store page, tap the three-dot menu, and toggle auto-update per app. Doing both global and per app settings Now verify changes by returning to the Play Store and observing the auto-update setting and an app's three-dot toggle. If options are missing, clear Play Store cache and storage in Settings apps because stale data often hides controls. Make sure Google Play Services is updated and reboot. That resolves many sync problems. If behavior persists, remove and re-add your Google account as a last resort. Quick tip: test with one small app update to confirm the fix before trusting it fully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.